God, I love this car. It's such a good car. AC back on, let's vibe. All right. Let's talk about, is it worth buying an 8th Gen Si in 2021? Is it worth buying a 2006 through 2011 Honda Civic Si 2-door / 4-door? Because they're both the same models, but we all know 4-door is king. That's just what it is. So the last video I made pertaining into like, should you buy a car, was a POV of my 02 RSX Type S, and I spoke about, you know, should you buy an RSX Type S? And I was like, yeah, you should. It's a great car. It's a beautiful platform. The only thing I disliked about it was the suspension. I do not like RSX suspension. I think it is the stupidest thing on earth. It's so stupid, so dumb. From the RSX to the 8th Gen, which was like Honda's like, okay, we're gonna discontinue the RSX and bring this out. The RSX discontinued in 2006, and in the same year, the FA5 / FG2, the Honda Civic Si came about. And honestly, Honda got it right with this. This platform is by far my favorite current gen 2000 and up Honda ever created, like produced, bro. Oh man.
Your luck didn't blow the welds on the intake.
So if you clicked on this video, it's probably one of 3 reasons. First reason, you're thinking about buying an 8th Gen Si. Second reason, you love me, you want to watch what a Zosh video. Third reason, Zosh, you had an RSX, you had an 8th, now you have an 8th Gen. What's up? What, like, give me the real, look at that, RSX. Give me the real spill. Honestly, the 8th Gen Si doo-doos on an RSX. From factory, the 8th Gen Si comes with the RBC Galifold. RBC manual. You have drive-by-wire throttle bot. You have the suspension on point. They got rid of that garbage ass McPherson crap on the RSX and went with something much better. The 8th Gen Si is overall way better than the RSX. I mean, I guess they both have their things. The RSX seems more like a driver-focused car. Like it seems like it has sports and like it's a sports car. The 8th Gen Si, 4-door or 2-door, in my opinion, it doesn't ring sports car to me. It rings comfort, drivability, and overall just a great functioning car. So it kind of depends on what your preference is, but you can turn these into some badass race cars. The reason why I went with the 4-door over the 2-door is because I can do the whole FD2 conversion thing. With the 2-door you can't because of the rear, but you can do it for the front. But you know, I don't like the rear on FG2s, the 2-door models, because they just look like eggs. They look weird to me. The 4-door, what in the hell is this guy doing? The 4-door to me is just, it's overall goated. Like 4-door race cars, in my opinion, are the best thing since sliced bread, dog. Like, imagine, bro, like you're getting lapped by a 4-door. Like, what? That's freaking fire. Having the 8th Gen come with an RBC from factory is just a beautiful thing. All I did so far to this car was add a full Skunk 2 exhaust package with Skunk 2 Alpha Series header and a Skunk 2 Mega Power RR exhaust, and the car drives phenomenal. Like, it's very responsive. Drive-by-wire throttle body is amazing. The only thing I dislike about the drive-by-wire throttle body and the accelerator pedal is that you can't really heel toe properly, because if you try to heel toe, you're gonna hit the brakes really hard. Like, because the way the spacing is like this. This is how the spacing is. This is your brake pedal, this is the gas pedal. So when you have to heel toe, you have to pretty much brake, but like the brakes are so like that. So like it's super hard. And it's spaced out, the gas pedal is spaced out more to the right. So it's kind of hard to heel toe in this car with the stock pedals. People can do it, I can't. I've been trying, I can't. Like if Home Developments were to create like a brake pedal setup for this car, I would be hella stoked and I would buy that. Bro, I'm full sending, I don't care. So just comparing a stock RSX to a stock 8th gen, the 8th gen just wins. It's just, it comes factory with an LSD transmission. Now let's talk price. Price point on the 8th gen SIs right now are not too bad. I picked up my SI for $6,800. I could have got it for $65 if I had cash in hand, but I had to go to the bank the next day. I could have got it for $65. This has 141,000 miles. I got it with 140,000 miles on it. I'm currently the 4th owner of this car. Clean Carfax. Mileage is like nothing being rolled back, everything checked out. Depending on where you live, you can get you an 8th gen SI for a great price. I'm not too sure how much it'd be in your area, but looking around the price range from $5 grand to like $8 grand, depending on mileage, body, you know, things that play a nature when you're buying a car. Like, does it have any oil leaks? Is the seats ripped? That doesn't really matter, but like, you know what I mean? Is third gear grinding? You gotta watch out for things of that nature. Is the dash going in and out? Because that happens, I heard, on these cars. The price point of these is like the same as the RSX. Like, you can find them for the same, like the same price, and you can find these cleaner because the last year that these ended, the 8th gens, were in 2011. So you have 5 years of this car being produced in both the 2-door trim and the 4-door trim. So there's a lot of 8th gens out there. Just gotta look for them. Now let's talk drivability. Drivability of the 8th gen SI is, bro, it's top notch. Like, the seats, these seats are way comfier than the RSX Type S seats. Like, I like cloth because it doesn't burn you when you get in the car. Like, say you have an RSX with leather seats, and that leather seat, it messes up quick. Like, the sun kills it, it starts peeling, it's just garbage. The 8th gen SI come with cloth seats that the sun doesn't really mess up like that. They don't get the sun fade or anything of that nature. It's really hard to mess these seats up, but you know, you can, like cigarette holes and things of that nature, getting in and out the car causes wear and tear on seats. But you know, these seats are way comfier. The drivability is just nice. Like, having a drive-by-wire throttle body is just, it's nice. It's breaking up a little bit. Gave me a warning. Next up for my car is Flash Pro, so I can have my VTEC crack at like 4,400. Definitely need Flash Pro next. I got so much stuff coming for this car. The excitement I have for this 8th gen is the same excitement I have when I first got my Integra. Like, I just want to build it to be the best damn product that I can build to my abilities, and money. Money allows what I can do. So I'm so stoked on this car. It's like the interior is pretty nice. Like, it's not a bad car. Like, it's a really solid car. So if you're thinking about buying an 8th gen SI, I highly recommend it. I truly highly recommend this over the 9th gen. The 9th gen's a garbage. I drove a YouTuber named Zuby's 9th gen. His was nice. He had, like, to make a 9th gen drive, like, to have true VTEC, you have to do the head swap. You have to drop a K20 head on top of the 24 Z7 bottom in order for you to get the true VTEC and make the 9th gen nice. 9th gen body styles are nice. I like the 9th gen body styles in the 4-door. I don't like 2-door SIs unless it's an EM1. I just don't like SIs that are 2-door in the current gen of Honda that we're in right now. I truly recommend this car, man. It's such a beautiful car. You could do the FD conversion, you can buy Type R parts, you can make this car really your own, and that's what I was going for with this car. Like, I got a whole goal in mind of how I wanted to shape this car, and it's gonna happen. It's very expensive, but it's gonna happen. It's just so much modifications you can do. There's a great aftermarket support for it. Hybrid Racing like specialized their parts like within the 8th gen. Like they made so many parts for the 8th gen, and like I see why people gravitate towards this car. It's a beautiful car. It drives good. It comes with an RBC manifold from factory. You have an LSD already in the gearbox, so you don't have to buy M Factor or Quaife or OS Geiken. Well, you can buy those things if you want to upgrade your driving. But if you're like a spirited driver or you want to do track days, the K20 Z3 LSD would do you just fine. This is such a good car. The money, like, for the price of this car, it's worth it. They don't really lose their value like that. Like if I were to do what I want to do to this car, I can probably sell this car for like 12 grand. Like no bullshit. I could probably get like 12 grand out of it. That's obviously gonna be turbocharged, the wire tug, clean bay, carbon fiber accents everywhere, bucket seat, like it's cage. It's worth it. Sell my 8th gen right now for more than what I bought it for. Right at this exact moment, I can sell this car for probably like $7,500 because the value of these cars are going up. But depending on where you live, maybe not. But like these cars are really sought after. And I didn't know how big the community of 8th gens owners were until I joined these Facebook groups. And it's so evident, like this is such a good car. I'm so glad I got this car. If you guys are out there, like I keep saying, if you guys are out there looking to buy an 8th gen Si in 2021, I highly recommend you do it. Don't waste no time. Let this video be like, yep, I'm doing it. Zosh said buy it, I'm gonna get me one. Just be careful of who you buy from, because people are shitty and they'll try to, like, you know, sell you some lemon type car, and you don't want that. But like overall, man, this car is just great, bro. Like, I mean, the RSX and 8th gen both serve their own purpose, but nothing beats that drive-by-wire, bro. There's no lag. There's literally no lag. You can buy a ZDX throttle body, boost it up, have better response and everything of that nature. It's just an overall better car, man. Like if I'm just being honest, I should have got this car before the RSX, but I've always wanted to own an RSX, so I'm glad that hybrid came through for that. And yeah, like I'm just so glad I got the 8th gen Si. I love this car. It's such a good car. Also, if you're thinking about getting a 9th gen, don't. Them shits are slow, so save your money. If you're thinking about getting a 10th gen, those are nice. They come boosted. Price is like out of this world right now because of the used car prices. But if I were to get any other Honda Civic in the later years from an EM1, I'm going with a CTR and an EP3. EP3s are so underrated. I don't know why people don't like EP3s. Maybe the motor's a K28.3 base model RSX engine, but just slap a K24 in there and wild out. Them things are super nice. Bro, I would love to build a nice road-ready EP3. That would be fire. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more POVs of the 8th gen Si when I get more stuff on it, make it all cool and fast and Flash Pro and Tune E85, all that stuff. Let me know what kind of car you're looking to buy. I hope this video helps anybody out there looking to buy this exact car. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on the video. Be sure to check out ZoshMFG.com to support the channel by picking up some socks, some t-shirts, some merch, anything of that nature. And use code FAM for 10% off this entire weekend. And I will be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.